Arizona grocery stores where it means a great deal. Albertsons is teaming with Kevin McCabe, the longtime voice of Valley Sports, for the best high school coverage in the Valley. And now, here is Kevin McCabe for the Albertsons High School Sports Report on the Fan, AM 1060.
Yeah, it's 2:27 in the Mountain West. A beautiful day out there, and if you're out in the Northwest Valley, we invite you to come by. Free cookies. Free cookies. You know, they used to have those radio remotes, and they give away free 8-track tapes and cassettes, and people. I got free cookies. Free cookies. It's McCabe and Friends, presented by Lerner and Rowe. I'm hanging out at Albertsons, Northwest Valley, Deer Valley, and 83rd Avenue. That's where the free cookies are. Albertsons, you know their drill. They've teamed with us for our high school basketball coverage throughout the year, right up on up to the state championship. A neat rivalry here in the Northwest Valley. It's brewing, it's growing, it's hot, it's heavy. It's knocking on the door once again, this time on the hardwood. It's Sandra Day O'Connor versus Mountain Ridge. And we're joined by the Mountain Lions, a star player, Jared Zoller, who's sitting right here. Was it the free cookies? Just a chance to be close to McCabe? You were just out doing groceries. What was it? What the heck? How did you wind up here?
I wanted to get out of art class. That's what I decided.
Wait a minute. Art, that's like the one easy class, isn't it? If we had a calculus class, I could understand this.
I don't know. It's just complicated.
How are you doing today? Everything good?
Great. How are you?
I'm doing awesome. Now, let me ask you, your coach, Jeff Ford, is going to call us here.